He told me his name is Jerry.
What to you? In his heart, he was crying. Look. Hey, you finished the ube ice cream and you didn't even say paalam? Not even a tiny scoop left for me?
It was melting. I thought you were done with
Ay,
it.
naku, that's not how it works. Last bite rule. You ask first, okay? Parang respeto lang yan. Babe, why are you eating that?
It says ice cream.
Because we reused the tub. That is sinigang fish soup. You thought we keep ice cream in December?
I kinda did.
You Americans throw containers. We Filipinos make them Tupperware. Babe, why you open this like it's ice cream, huh?
It says mango. I want a dessert.
Ay, naku, it's not mango. It's galunggong. We reuse the tub, okay? You think we just throw away good containers, sayang? Teka. Babe, pang-backward na pwede mo sa akin. Winang palang mango sa kayo. Icy brick!
I just thought cold fruit was nice.
Kamali Philippines mango sunshine. Room temperature, ha? Taste it. Babe, what is this? Spaghetti with chopsticks and no rice? You're disrespecting my entire childhood right now.
This is pasta. I thought chopsticks would be fun.
Fun? Filipino spaghetti isn't fun, it's life!